H0 moins 1 minute.
Give us a chance to say hello to all of our friends in Sao Paulo at Sky B1, to Telkom in Jakarta, Selamat Pagi, I hope I'm saying that right, very early morning to you. ATT DirecTV in Los Angeles, hi to the Airbus Defence and Space and the Thales Alenia Space teams in Europe, as well as Toulouse, for the community of Ariane cities. Locally, hello to the Kourou Sinemari Cayenne sites here in French Guiana, and hi to all of our industrial partners, ISA and CNES, and to all of you following on the internet. I hope you are enjoying it. We're going to cut away, let you listen to the DDO as he calls out the final seconds. Watch for the cryo arms to open at minus 5 seconds. That sets
À tous le DDO, attention pour le décompte final.
Attention
pour le décompte final.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Vulcain.
Allumage Vulcain.
Allumage EAP, décollage.
Allumage EAP, décollage. Paramètres à bord sont nominaux.
Schedule at 18:39 local, Ariane 5 beginning her mission, lifting off perfectly, beautifully from the ground here in French Guiana, with a lot of fire streaking through the clouds, as the DDO says all is well on board, beginning her mission, the second for Ariane Space this year, with 2 new telecom satellites for major regional operators. The 2 boosters are now providing 90% of the thrust, propelling the launcher along her trajectory at an ever higher velocity. 775 tons as liftoff. She's burning 5 tons of fuel per second, 2.5 tons in each booster burning per second, and the core stage burning another 300 kilos every second. Ariane 5 is now following the program and the onboard computer, which gives all the orders, including stage separations, which we will soon see. We're in the first of 4 flight phases. We'll be describing each in turn in detail, so you can follow Ariane as she gets east across the Atlantic. Right now, the first flight phase, a single Vulcan core stage engine and the 2 boosters burning together. The boosters will burn their 240 tons in just over 2 minutes. They're the first to be extinguished. You'll hear the DDO call out that milestone in about 20 seconds. We are 15 kilometers from the pad here, but even here you can feel the speed of liftoff.
Derrière nous, à
If you're watching
Jupiter,
from the closest viewing station, less than
2 minutes
5
10
kilometers
de vol, les VIP ne sont pas encore rentrés, ils attendent l'extinction et la séparation des
burnout
EAP.
of the boosters. That
Dans
looks
3
like
secondes environ.
burnout of the boosters right there, picked up on the camera.
Séparation des étages, accélération à court.
DDO confirms it. You see the 2
on
orange
entendra
points of light
l'annonce
falling away on either
de la
side,
séparation des
and the white
EAP.
light in the middle, that's the core stage burning.
Les EAP qui auront
The
effectué leur
boosters,
mission.
give you an idea what it looks like, fall 500
Ils ne seront
kilometers
plus
short
La
nécessaires.
of
propulsion est
area.
nominale.
There's a second
Et
booster out
d'ailleurs,
of
vous
camera
voyez
range on the
l'animation
left, of
à
course.
l'écran.
French Guiana was in part chosen as a base for its opening on the water. We'll have a little more on that
Nous sommes
subject.
allégés d'environ 600 tonnes et le lanceur
For
pèse
now,
maintenant
on the bottom
180
of your screen
tonnes.
on the left, our altitude
Tout
approaching
cela
100
en 2
kilometers.
minutes.
On the right, our speed.
Et la vitesse s'accroît
2
grâce à
kilometers.
cet
La trajectoire est
allègement. Nous
nominale.
attendons maintenant le
The speed
largage
we
de la
need for satellite
coiffe.
separation, roughly 9 kilometers per second. So keep your eyes on the numbers. And when we
La
near the
coiffe
region of 8 or
servi
9
à
kilometers
protéger
per
les
second,
satellites
you'll know
au
we are
sol
getting close to
et durant les
satellite
premières phases
separation.
de vol. Voilà, vous avez vu l'animation
There
à
is fairing
l'écran.
separation, right on time, revealing to the
Avec
elements. The
la
blue part is the our first
séparation et
passenger.
largage
Séparation
de
de la
la
coiffe.
coiffe. Encore une fois,
Skybridge
on a
01.
perdu 2 tonnes et vous voyez des
Separation
images d'un
of
vol
the fairing is
précédent
given
par
by
une
2
caméra embarquée
pyrotechnic
alors
systems,
que
one
la
horizontal and one
coiffe
vertical.
retombe.
Again, what it looks like up there.
Le
The other
lanceur
half
est
is at a
à
camera range
118
on the right.
km d'altitude, nous sommes dans l'espace, mais il
We can
reste
separate the fairing
encore
now
beaucoup de
because we're
chemin
out of the dense
à
layers of the
faire.
atmosphere at over 100
Vous
kilometers
voyez à
up.
l'écran les
There's
différents
neither friction
chiffres.
nor heating which could
en bas de
disturb
l'écran.
the passengers, and we also discarded
Propulsion
dead
est
weight.
nominale.
Et on regardera également la courbe de trajectoire qui se trouve en haut à droite sur votre écran. Vous voyez la courbe, vous voyez le curseur vert qui se déplace selon la courbe. Nous voulons que ce curseur soit parfaitement superposé avec la courbe, ce qui signifie que la performance est nominale. Les différents responsables, dont Bruno Girard, chef d'établissement d'espace Kourou, Joël Donadel, représentant de l'ESA à Kourou, et Bernard Chemoul, le directeur du CSG.